washing the skirting.
Are you washing or cleaning it?
Cleaning.
Housekeeping, we talk about cleaning. Laundry, we talk about wash. Yeah, it's good to note that. So what do you need for us to clean?
I need a hand brush, warm soapy water.
Yes.
The warm water in cold water and my cleaning tools.
Okay.
So I'll start off.
And if I may ask, how comes you're not using the mopping bucket, you're using the basics? If I may ask?
Because of the ease of living in a hot bucket at time to bring this in your hand.
Okay. Proceed.
We are scrubbing.
That is the starting part of it? Okay.
From here to here.
Okay. This is the starting
This is the
board.
wall.
Yeah, that is the one, then the starting board.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm scrubbing to remove the leaf dust. So after that, I use my cleaning cloth. To clean it.
How many cleaning clothes should you be having?
Okay.
Okay.
Then I'll final rinse in cold water to freshen the water. The starting solid.
Okay, let's appreciate her.